morning, sunshine.
Hey, dude. Registration closed. I never registered.
Okay.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you at the next race. Okay, guys. No rally event, but we're gonna be looking at fabric for this guy's headliner.
I'm gonna be one of those people.
Oh, snails.
Yeah.
I like
because
snails.
it's so slow.
It's the puppet dogs, dude. Or the bees. Say the bees. What about brick?
I love a good green.
Or wood brown?
Green, red, and black.
Dude, American. Yeah, dude.
That's the one.
We're gonna wrap the whole car in that. I'm gonna make a spoiler out of it.
Yeah. I need a 3rd gen Dodge Ram.
Ooh, the chilies though.
No way. No way. Damn, that's kind of hard. That is really fucking hard. We're keeping that in mind. 30% off too.
Dude.
Oh, look at those. Oh, dude. That's what I do for a living.
That's us. It's like me and you.
OMG. Am I the serpentine belt to your spark?
There's a Ouija board.
Dude, this is fucking sick.
That's pretty cool.
This is so cute.
That frog.
Frog.
Recording on the phone now.
We've been here for fucking 3 hours. Oh, it's like see-through though.
Kind of sexy. Wood.
Wood.
And we gotta put it above your head.
Oh, with the chandelier.
Okay.
Okay.
Strong contender.
Yeah. If not the
Fuck
contender.
Yeah. But we could always do it again.
Yeah,
and like
true,
you said, CRX has 3 interior clips.
clips.
In total.
After this, it's probably gonna have 1.
Yeah. Sweet. So yeah, we're thinking about, or Julian's thinking about this one, the chilies.
The chilies.
Or
this is just very Japanese.
Yeah.
And you know, my car was made in Japan. Grass car.
Put your face on it. Grass car. Oh, we can do little birds.
The little birdies.
I fuck with birds. I feel so bad for birds, dude.
What do you say?
Like, domesticated birds.
Oh, okay.
Like, yeah, let's take an animal that's meant to fly and just put them in a cage.
Cage.
Their whole life.
Yeah, definitely that one.
Oh!
Now we gotta go put it up against the chili peppers.
The chili peppers. Shit, dude.
Albuquerque vibes.
No, I don't know why, but
it's wholesome. It's nostalgic.
Okay, how about if that doesn't work, we get the chilies.
Yeah, good idea. Because this very much so might not. No. All right. The winner. Okay. I'm at my crib right now. I'm swapping out these wheels for those wheels because one of those has a flat and I can't afford tires right now. So I'm just throwing these on, but they're not bad. They're pretty cool. They're just really disgusting. The back ones look a lot better, but yeah, gonna finish swapping these out so that way I can drive the CRX to the garage and then we're gonna do the headliner. So yeah, I will see you back at the garage. Driving to the garage right now. There's some very weird noises coming out. Have to check that out, but sorry, I can't cuss. All I gotta say is that I miss driving this car. All right, back at the garage. I'm gonna get started on the whole headliner thing. Okay, well, it's out. I was expecting it to take me a long time, so I was gonna just like start the other side and listen to some music, and then when Tony gets here, then we can record me doing the driver's side. But then I just did the whole thing in 5 minutes. So I love this car. Yeah, so here's all the interior pieces. Mirrors, all that. Here's this. Looks pretty sick. Race car. While I'm in here, I'm also gonna try to fix the sunroof. I don't know what's wrong with it. I took the whole thing apart. Like took it apart and cleaned it, got all the dirt out of it. It was like really gunked up. put it back together exactly how I had it, or exactly how it was, but now it doesn't work at all. Like, it doesn't even click anymore. So, bummer, but that's okay. Because with the headliner, it kind of would have been a pain, I feel like, to work around this, maybe. I don't know. And then plus, this cover is really ugly. So, yeah, I'll probably at some point order a sunroof motor for it. That's not my priority right now by any means, especially with it about to be winter. I don't care. So, yeah, bummer, but we tried. So, now what I'm gonna do is try to prep this a little bit, start cleaning it and whatnot, see what I can get done. So yeah, I will probably see you once Tony gets here.
Damn, Julian.
Sorry, I forgot to record.
Oh, no worries.
I forgot to record. Yeah, she's done. Now we're taking this out because I want to make the shift boot that same pattern. I don't know if it's possible, but
we're gonna try.
We're gonna try. Okay, so we couldn't make it as a shift boot, but I did this, and then the little rod can come through it, and it'll look pretty cool. Honestly, not bad, not bad. So now he's gotta poke a little hole right there, and then screwdriver.
I know.
Yep. And then ideally, the shift knob will come through there. We just kind of tear this up a little bit. Can you push down on it a little more? Better than nothing. Okay. Extremely. That's what we're working with. Now we just got to try to fish the hole into the yeah.
Ooh, boy.
Come on.
Watch out for that cord.
Just gotta let it do its thing. Let it stretch out.
Let it. Wow, that actually looks pretty good. Oh, there we go. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, yeah.
Oh, baby.
Gangster.
Where's my knob? Interior everywhere.
You need new knob.
Yeah, that carbon fiber one from AutoZone.
Sweet.
Fuck yeah. Oh, the zip tie all poking through. We forgot to cut the zip tie. Dude, honestly, a lot better than I thought it was gonna look.
Yeah, me too.
And then once we get a good shift knob, a carbon fiber one from AutoZone, we just gotta do the other side of the headliner now. Oh, what?
Uh-oh. Already?
Oh, okay, so low-key, I forgot to put glue in the corners here.
Oh, okay.
Only right there and right there have glue. I just forgot. Ah, I came through the other side. Is the foam thick enough?
We could try it. It's thicker. Something.
Yeah, straight through. I mean, it's holding it. Ah, fucker. Oh, shit.
What the? Shit, dog. I'm got his feet wet now. Good enough.
Right. I reckon that's as good as it's gonna get.
How did we end up in we didn't talk about this.
That's a really good question. We have no clue how we got here. Like, we were at Dutch, and then fast forward a little bit, and now my car is torn apart. Like, I don't know where we got this idea from, but it happened very quickly. Alright, a couple days later, here's the final product. CRX is a little dirty right now, but here's the ceiling. It's kind of droopy right here just because of the sunroof, but not a big deal. Shift boot. We had to zip tie it at the bottom here, to get it to stay, and we forgot to cut the zip tie. So low key right here, it's all bad. All I have to do is just take the center console out and cut the zip tie, but haven't done that. But yeah, getting these in was surprisingly a lot easier than you think it would be, trying to like fish those through the holes without being able to see. I was not able to get this one though, low key. So this one is just fine. But I mean, it stays up there without it and stays like this while I'm driving. This shit is nasty. Need to get new ones. But yeah, so that was the only problem. I wasn't able to get this guy in for this side. But yeah, getting the interior back together was pretty nice. I had to like stuff it into there, which was kind of a pain, but yeah, very happy with how it turned out. I think it's pretty sick. Yeah, thanks for watching. That's all for this one.